Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you my dad got from Amazon.
So
I know what it is. It's for training.
So should I open it?
Yes, and it's for speed.
Speed stuff, yeah, speed stuff. Full. Not exactly, but kind of similar.
So it is a stopwatch.
So why can I not use? Why can I just not use my phone? Because my phone has a stopwatch thing on it. Why can I not just use? Let's show us everyone stopwatch. Clock. So this is a basic good phone. It's good and I love it. It's stopwatch here. Why can't I just use that? Just use that or timer. Why
Is
can't I
it
just use that?
because?
So we're doing the reason we're doing is what we're doing now.
We're doing
what's it called?
Twice the speed.
Twice the speed. It's a system from America where they're teaching, in particular, young people. So you and your brother how to get faster, in particular soccer and stuff like that. And the great thing is, I'm always looking for ways to get you better with cross country, faster with athletics, tag rugby, football, anything you're doing. And there's not always a lot of stuff for your age at one because you're growing. What we don't want to do is ruin your growth. So we wouldn't do things like weights because they say, oh, you should lift weights and you should do this. So we do body weight exercise, some simple stuff, not too much, not too complicated. Football, yeah. So this twice the speed from America we got has, and it's developed a system of getting you faster using bands and other stuff. We got from America. I got the bands from America as well, and the system. It was great because specifically, check it out. It's specifically for getting your kids faster, getting children faster. Yeah, and you're 11 and your brother's 14, so we don't want to take any risks with doing things that may cause harm. So we got this because each of the routines are either 8 seconds or 10 seconds long, so you don't overdo it. And by the time I've done this bit, I go like this and I go, we do the stopwatch bit or use the clock, and it's not there because you start it.
Wait, does it not stop?
And you start it. Yeah, so it's going on, and then you say, right, stop, and then we have a bit of a rest. You're meant to have a bit of a rest, and then the screen comes, it goes back to the screen, so you have to click it back on, and then you have to go back to it, and it's just a bit of a nightmare. So sometimes it's nice to have a good old-fashioned stopwatch, which I'm saying, okay, you could say, oh, well, can't you just look at the clock and things, but it's just nice to have this. So should we open it? So click, 8 seconds, click, done. Click, 8 seconds, click, done. It's easy to me.
Oh my gosh, why is there so many?
Because it's Casio and they've got all the different lingo, all the different languages. So operating protocol, it's got loads of info here.
That's cool.
Got loads of info here. Now this was £35. You think, why the hell did you spend £35 on a stopwatch whereas it's under 10? Because the reviews for this were brilliant. And at the end of the day, sometimes you pay a little bit and you don't get a lot, and sometimes you pay a little bit and you get good. And this is a cool one. It looks solid. It's kind of water resistant. Yeah. So So it's So just show everyone. Show everyone what it's like. Just show. So it's pretty nice and robust and solid.
So you can hold it wrong with that.
Yeah. And the other thing is obviously it makes sense. They say this thing here, you can't remove it. Apparently they're saying on the videos you can't move it. I don't care, because to me, having it around your hand and dropping it and smashing, I'd rather not have it. We use it mainly indoors, but we can use it for things when we're doing sprint training. We can do a 1 minute sprint for 20 seconds and then rest, and 20 seconds rest, and it's pretty good. So we've got the different modes. We've got a lap and split. So here, it's a bit hard to see. So someone actually painted it on the review thing on Amazon. They painted these things. So we've got this one here is lap split time. Lap time. So you press it and press it again. So you get a lap time. And then mode, you've got different modes, and you've got the mode bit is the middle bit, and then you start. So I don't think it's that important. So do you want to just demonstrate? This bit here, should show this bit here. It says Casio here.
I thought that was a button.
Casio here. So this is the bit elasticated bit there. And then you've got a nice quality cord. I mean, Casio stuff always quality, and then
Yeah.
this bit here, what's this? It's like instead of it being just
Wait, what's
tied
that?
at the end,
Look.
that's just what? Can you open it?
Oh, what's that for then?
There's a hinge there, isn't it? Or should we leave it, not mess with it? So we mess it up. So it's good quality, and you've got this like really nice metal.
It says an arrow.
screws.
Look, there's like a tiny arrow going up. Oh, look! I think I'm meant to push it. No, that's the video. See, can you see that tiny
Tiny arrow, it is, tiny arrow. This is just a bit the end of the cord. So do you want to just show them? Show them quickly, everyone. To press it. Not the mode, wretch. What have you done now?
Wait, what?
You've done a countdown. So you didn't count down, so you've got countdown. No, it shows countdown, so press the countdown. Stop it, press stop. Right one.
Oh.
Yeah, and then press mode again. So what's this one? Oh, the alarm. You got alarm, so you can set the time. Ooh, brilliant. And then press another mode button. And go press start. Wait a minute.
I just love this.
Oh, you can count. That's really clever. You can count how many laps or whatever someone's done. That's good.
That's good.
It's so nice. So we can take them down. I mean, so take it down with the split button. Okay, so we go to mode again. What's that? Football. There's a football thing. What's the football? What's the football?
Ball.
So you see, press mode, press top bit. What's that? Monday, yeah, time, 2020. Monday, 28th of...
9:28.
Wait. No, not 28th of the 9th.
Oh.
It is correct. Is that correct? That's not
Can we
correct.
peel it off?
Yeah, do you want to peel it off? Oh, you're going to peel this off. Go on. Peel, come on.
Come on.
It won't take 10 years you peel this
Oh
off.
my gosh, it's hard. Wait, can I see it first? Let me grab
Don't
it.
break it.
Where's it?
Do you want to give me a hand? I'm going to start it. Or do you want to do it? Good now when we attempt to peel it off. Go on, show everyone. You're not on the camera. Yeah. Go on. Do it.
Oh, that's nice.
Such a wonderful job you've done. That only took 10 years to do.
That's
But, so it's...
nice.
So look at it. Screen's a bit nice and big. It's like a big watch with like a giant's watch without the strap on, isn't it?
Yeah.
They look like just a giant watch, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like
It
the
looks
G-Shock
built-
watches.
It looks built as well.
It looks solid. You got 100 times 2 timer. 100 lap.
100 times 2.
Oh,
Wait, does that stay there?
And it's 5 bar water resistant, so you can get it splashed. I wouldn't put it in the shower or anything, but it gets splashed. That's quite handy for outside. Let's go mode again. Press mode again. Press mode again.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. And then you got stop. Press start. So this is where the good
This
stuff.
one?
Yeah. No. Yeah. This one. So that's seconds. So I could just literally go. And I know we wouldn't. And that's it. And we could go 16, and then that's the first lap is going 8 seconds. They do laps. How many laps can you do on one day? You probably do loads. I think you just do loads. You stop fiddling with that. You're yanking it.
That's cool.
And then you can reset it. Yeah? So it's pretty straightforward. So all we're going to be doing is up to 6, and then there's not 6 yet, and then reset. That's what mainly we can do, but we can do other stuff. When we do start doing a hill sprint, so we can do like we could do like
Don't mean a weird noise.
we can do one for like just have a good look at it. There's a lot of info here, but I think as a thing it can do, it's quite a lot of stuff. So let me just have a quick look so we can quickly go through tell you guys what it can do. So what it should say function, shouldn't it? So you've got right, Okay, right, so we've got
Look.
split time and lap time. Yeah, we've got working range. The total lap time, split time is 9 hours 59 minutes.
Dad, this only goes to 18 and it goes back. Look.
Okay, right. So lap time display is limited to 59 minutes. Thereafter reset again. You've got lap split times, multiple finishing times, which is good. So you could do different people in a race. You could do the net time, normal time. Curious stopwatch, water resistance up to 5 bars or atmosphere, which means you can use it in the rain or areas where splashing water is present. Stop doing that. Now, however, operate the buttons of the stopwatch while it's immersed in water. You should have the rubber seal that keeps water out and dust replaced every 2 to 3 years.
Dad,
I don't think that'd be an issue. Moisture.
Wait, have you pressed record?
No. So it's only the old ones. That'll tell you the old ones. You can go back to the old times.
Oh, that's cool.
Specifications here go accuracy at normal temperature, plus minus 30 seconds per month. Stopwatch 99.9988% accurate. Time display hours, minutes, seconds, AM, PM, year, month, day, and day of the week. Calendar system pre-programmed until year 2099. It's a long way away. Stopwatch display. Total elapsed time. Lap time display. Split time display. Measuring in 1/1000th of a second. Measuring mode. Net time. Lap time. Split time. First to 100th place. So you do 100 different times. 100 different times. 100th place times.
Well,
You could do
cool.
100 different things, which is crazy. Not doing it. Lap counter up to 99. Memory capacity 2 sets of 100 records. Timer 10 intervals. Measuring capacity. Alarm. Number of alarms 12. Beep duration 10 seconds. Counter standard counter. Football stopwatch. Measuring capacity 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Battery, 1 lithium battery. It's a CR2032, which is quite common. Approximately 5 years continuous operation on it. Includes an average of 30 presses of the button per day, which has got lasts quite well. So you've got a lot of info there. You've got loads of info. So let me just hold that there. So if you want to have a look yourselves, let me do it like this actually. Can I go just move that out of the way a bit? What I'll do is I'll just show you everything. So if you wanted to look at everything on the information, so that's there, that goes down to there. Yeah, stop copying that please. There, and then it goes across and it gives all the information you need and how to set up. Really self-explanatory, nice stuff. I'm not sure we're going to use it for anything much other than just the basic stuff, but it just looked like a quality piece of kit. So, you know, Casio is generally quite good. So then again, that bit there. So what do you think? Quality, solid?
Very solid.
Using the counters, got all the information there.
Looks cool.
And the
as
last
well.
bit, this football one's be interesting to look at. Looks cool as well, doesn't it? Yeah. So a bit of advice like care the stopwatch specifications there. I may keep on that one for a bit longer. So if people want to look at that, specifications there. And that's it.
Yeah.
So the good thing is kind of water resistant. So there's all the information here. On the other side, different language, that's all. Yeah, so I think it's pretty good. You've got all the different languages, but that's the main one that we need, English. So yeah, let's have another look here, put it down here. So that's what you got. It looks good, looks solid, I think it'll last well. People apparently want to take this off, so they have to cut it off. Apparently you can't detach it.
Why don't they
I don't know, because you could drop it, and then when you drop it,
£35
it's great.
and you're going to cut it off.
Yeah, so the button's quite solid, nicely made. Let's show the
I
back of
don't
it.
know, but this thing at the bottom, it looks like you could take it off.
I don't think you need to do it.
Yeah, but look. Because if you don't have to like snip it off, because that goes round.
But we don't need to snip it off. We're not going to snip off anyway, are we?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, so what'd you say? Happy with that?
Yep.
You like it? Worth it? Not sure if we should have spent that much, but 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 it will last. It will last ages, and we won't need to get another one for ages and ages. Rather than getting a not so good one, it doesn't do the trick, and you end up buying a better one afterwards and thinking, why did I bother buying that rubbish one in the first place? Anyway, should we finish?
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye bye.